Matt's been flying for Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University since 2007, and he has been a professional pilot since 1980, having accumulated over 18,000 hours of flight time, and just this year celebrating his 28th year flying air shows. He flies for American Airlines based in New York on an MD-80 aircraft that I gotta tell you, he doesn't fly it like this. This is one of the most fun things that Matt Chapman does, and he does it as well as anybody in the world. Watch the airplane continue to roll. This time he'll back it up. This is a torque roll. The aircraft is being turned by the opposite force of the engine and propeller. He'll swap ends going backwards at 40 miles, 50 miles an hour. Snap rolls all the way down. A snap roll is a high-speed stall where for a fraction of a second the airplane isn't flying, it's just being flung through the air. Amazing control this guy is showing for you right here. He's competed in 2 World Aerobatic Championships, 1996 in Oklahoma City, and also in 1998 in Trenčín, Slovakia. He was the 3rd place male pilot in the 1998 World Aerobatic Championships and the highest ranking as pilot. He won the coveted Charlie Hillard Award in 1998. He was one of the elite pilots chosen to compete in the Caspa Airshow series as well as a number of other aerobatic competition shows. Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University is the world leader in aviation and aerospace education. They're proud to be an official sponsor of award-winning aerobatic pilot and performer Matt Chapman. Embry-Riddle has been doing it right and doing it well since December 17th, 1925, 22 years to the day after the Wright brothers' historic flight at Kitty Hawk. They educate more than 34,000 students on campuses in Daytona Beach, Florida, and Prescott, Arizona, and through its worldwide